Oxidation and reduction reactions are fundamental processes in chemistry that involve the transfer of electrons between chemical species. These reactions play a crucial role in various natural and industrial processes, ranging from respiration in living organisms to corrosion of metals. Oxidation is the loss of electrons by a substance, resulting in an increase in its oxidation state. In other words, when a substance undergoes oxidation, it becomes more positively charged or less negatively charged. Reduction, on the other hand, is the gain of electrons by a substance, leading to a decrease in its oxidation state. In reduction reactions, the substance becomes more negatively charged or less positively charged. An easy way to remember the difference between oxidation and reduction is through the acronym LEO, GER, which stands for loss of electrons is oxidation LEO and gain of electrons is reduction GER. Let's illustrate these concepts with a simple example, the reaction between magnesium metal megagram and oxygen gaso to form magnesium oxide. Go. Step 1. Write the balanced chemical equation. The balanced equation for the reaction between magnesium and oxygen is 2 megagrams plus O2 MgO. This equation shows that two magnesium atoms react with one oxygen molecule to produce 2 molecules of magnesium oxide. Step 2. Identify oxidation and reduction. In this reaction, magnesium undergoes oxidation, while oxygen undergoes reduction. Oxidation. Each magnesium atom loses 2 electrons to form Mg ions. The oxidation half reaction can be represented as 2Mg to Mg plus 4E. Here, magnesium goes from an oxidation state of 0 to +2, indicating that it has lost 2 electrons per atom. Reduction. Each oxygen molecule gains 4 electrons to form oxide ions O. The reduction half reaction can be written as O plus 4E2O. Here, oxygen goes from an oxidation state of 0 to -2, indicating that it has gained 4 electrons per molecule. Step 3. Combine oxidation and reduction half reactions. To obtain the overall reaction, we combine the oxidation and reduction half reactions, ensuring that the number of electrons gained equals the number of electrons lost. In this case, since 2 magnesium atoms lose 4 electrons, 2 electrons each, and 1 oxygen molecule gains 4 electrons, the equations are rebalanced. Oxidation, 2 megagrams plus 4E. Reduction, O4E2O. Adding these two equations together, we get the balanced overall equation, 2 megagrams plus O2 MgO. This equation shows the transfer of electrons from magnesium to oxygen, leading to the formation of magnesium oxide. In summary, oxidation involves the loss of electrons, while reduction involves the gain of electrons. These processes often occur simultaneously in chemical reactions, leading to the transfer of electrons from one substance to another.